I must take control this thing. We're upside down.
Yep.
That's it.
We're only 2 miles away from Rockford.
No, we're leaving. We're leaving this place. Ugh.
It says we're 8 miles away from Brookhaven. It says from Rockford to Brookhaven is 15 miles. They're not that far from each other.
Oh no, what's happening?
I can see the thing.
I can't control the plane anymore. It's losing control because it's not even in where it's supposed to be like. Are we getting lower? What happened? Something just fell. Something.
I picked up one of my bombs, but then I dropped it.
No, my handy dandy thing machine. No, I'm losing everything. How are we going to rescue? What the? It's painting itself. I don't know where to go now. It's not doing any.
Well, and normally that. But
But
the sun's going down.
wait, are we? Whoa! I don't think we're gonna be. I don't think we're.
Yeah, I see stars starting to appear. Yeah, it's almost nighttime. Coolaku1, you see the stars
Yeah, kind
starting
of.
to appear?
Yeah, I see them.
Yeah, that's a sign that it's almost nighttime.
I think we can get back soon. Look, we're going. We're almost there.
Dang.
We're.
We've been out on the helicopter for 2 hours.
Yeah, we have. How are we moving? I don't think we're moving.
We're moving.
Oh.
Right,
As soon, every time they move, the sun started to go down.
Oh, yeah, it's really getting dark. More stars are starting to appear.
Ah.
And the sun's going down. It's very low.
Oh, it's so weird.
Alright, that's the 5th hour on